What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serrano's Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Happy Friday, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day. We finally have the sun out after I think it was 4 days of just some hard freeze, some sleet, a little bit of some light snow, thundering sleet. It was so weird. Texas is crazy, but pretty much Dallas has been shut down for the past 4 days just due to the weather, right? Inclement weather. But today, the sun is out. So, you know, a lot of you guys are probably like, why aren't you working today, Carlos? And to answer that in very short words is because I tend to always just let everything just pretty much melt. Because right now there is still a lot of ice that it's not melted. Whatever does not melt today, it's pretty much round two again tomorrow of water everywhere. So it's just kind of pointless for me, and that's just opinion. That's just the way I work. All my customers know that, you know, I don't like to waste their time with their money as well, especially, you know, they're only going to get 30 seconds of a good exterior and then it's going to get dirty as soon as they hit the road. So that's why I don't work after these cold storms. Plus, I'm also doing just some light maintenance, making sure that everything of my equipment is working properly before I go out to the field and put it to work again. But today, guys, I'm excited because we're going to be talking about the new maxshine foam cannon holder, guys. The new maxshine foam cannon holder. Is this worth the price? Do I like it? What do I think about it? We're definitely going to be talking about that in this video. Hashtag Serrano's Mobile. Hashtag Serrano's Mobile. What I think about this. So this is one of their newest additions to the maxshine website. This one here is $39.99, guys. Pretty much $40 for this maxshine foam cannon holder. Overall, anything that maxshine builds, it is solid. Comes with 3 foam cannon holders, or 3 fittings, right? For those who have multiple foam cannons, this is the perfect plate for you to have in your wall, on your mobile setup. As you guys can see, I already have a set right here already with 2 foam cannon holders, which it is nice and tug. Those things are not moving. One of the reasons why I ended up purchasing this, one, because it's maxshine, right? If you guys know, I love using all the maxshine stuff. They literally, on my other side of my truck, it's literally all maxshine. I have the maxshine brush holders over here as well. But maxshine, they're known for a lot of their organization tools, right? As well as the finished quality that you get, right? But one of the reasons I purchased this, one was because of the price. It was $40, right? And the reason I went with maxshine is because you get 3 of these for $40, plus the plate as well. It comes with your screws included as well, so you can drill this into your wall. It comes with all the tools necessary to bolt this onto your wall or your mobile unit, right? So the price, it made sense, guys. To be honest, I got a little bit of heat because I said, you know, this was a great deal for 3 of these, right? And other people were like, that's expensive, right? But yet there's a lot of competitors out there that are selling one for $40, one of these for $40, or even up to $80 I have seen. I'm nobody to, you know, say whatever they want to price it. For $80 for one of these, I think it's way overpriced. Yeah, it could be the brand you're buying or the name that's, you know, advertising the product, and you guys are like, oh, I'm gonna buy it for $80. But guys, for $40, you're gonna get 3 of these. You do the math how much each one comes out to. I think after I did the math, divided these by 3, these were each like $13 each. But again, I suck at math, so maybe I didn't calculate it correctly. But it just makes sense, right? So that was one of the main reasons I pulled the plug on this one, because I got 3 of them. And I was like, heck yes, this is gonna work. Plus, I've been meaning to find something for my truck because I'm trying to put everything on top to where I don't have everything on the bottom. So that's why I bought it, because now I literally can just put my foam cannons right there and I'm good to go. Obviously right now I may rearrange it just because I have my vacuum right there, so it could run into an issue to where I can't take my vacuum out. But again, this process is still a work in progress. I'm still trying to figure out how I want to set it finally. I didn't want to move it up here because I have my steamer there as well, so that would run into an issue there. So I may just find a different route for it. But another reason why I ended up buying this is because of this. I take it back. One of the main reasons why I ended buying this is because I was like, I'm tired of having my air tools literally on the floor, and I was like, this is gonna make perfect sense. So as you guys know, I have a Vortex air tool, right, which is right here. I have a Vortex air tool, right, and I also have my interior conditioning gun that I have really enjoyed. So in my head, I was like, this is perfect because it's gonna have one for my foam cannon, one for my air tool, and one for my conditioning tool, right? I took this out. You guys are about to see why. When I got this, and the first thing I did was obviously put my foam cannon, and this is nice and tugged. Like, this ain't going nowhere. The only issue I was kind of like, oh, what a bummer, is when it comes to my air tools. Obviously, the we have two different sizes, right? I think this one's a 3/4 and this one's a 1/4. So with the foam cannons, you can feel safe that it's gonna fit nice and tugged, right? When it comes to your air tools, you're gonna run into that issue where, like, it doesn't come out, but it's very loose. So I was like, I gotta find a way to make this fit a little bit better, right? So to some, you know, I was okay with it being like this, but I ended up doing something to help minimize this issue. What I ended up doing, guys, is I went to Home Depot and I ended up, so what I did is I took these off, right? And I went to Home Depot and I got me some 1/4 inch, this piece here. Again, I suck with kind of telling you what this is, but I bought this 1/4 inch, I think it's a male, and then all I'm doing is, I was hoping I could find a gold, like a gold one, so it'll match, but it's okay, I'll be all right. So I took these off, and pretty much that was it. Now check this out, guys. Now it is set. Definitely not loose anymore how it was in the beginning. I still have to unscrew these bottom ones. I have to screw these bottom ones, but now it is definitely much better than this. See, this one's very loose. Now that one, it is good to go. So there is hope, guys, for those who buy this. You know, for me, the reason I bought it was mainly for my air tools, is because I was like, this will look better, a little bit more presentation wise, more organization, right? And when I got it, I was kind of bummed out. Obviously, I should have known better, but I was kind of bummed out that it didn't work. But problem solved, guys. I just went and bought the different fittings, screwed them on. These were like $4 each at Home Depot, guys. You know, and it works perfectly. So for those who are buying this for that reason, just know that it will be kind of loose, you know. But if you don't want to spend money, then you are perfectly fine with having it like this, right? But you will hear this as you drive. So I was like, you know what, let me just go see if I can find a piece. And now this is much tighter than this one was. So I converted it to that piece, to that route, and now you guys will see how everything just clicks much better. That's better. That's not loose. And bam, now I have my foam cannon, my Vortex air tool, and I have my interior dressing gun all in the same plate. Hashtag maxshine, guys. Hashtag maxshine. And there you have it, guys, the final look on how this new maxshine foam cannon plate works and looks as well. For those who have been eyeing it, right, I think it's a very fair product, very nicely done. Price is very fair. Again, it's like $39. But don't forget, you can use Serrano's 15 and get 15% off on this product. That was the beauty of it, is because I even got a nice discount when I purchased this. So hashtag maxshine. With final thoughts on this product, honestly, I can't complain. I'm not upset with me having to change these two to make my other tools fit in it, because now it just looks much more presentable. And I've really enjoyed it, obviously, using it. Just the only thing that was bothering me was just that little loose where the tools were, but now it is very, very safely you know, tight on there, and at least I don't have to hear it, the rattling when I drive. But anyways, you know, go out there, check it out. I'll be posting a link down below on this product. Again, feel free to use promo code Serranos15 at checkout and get 15% off. Today is Friday, so 1 week from today, I will be picking 2 lucky winners. I'm gonna pick 2 lucky winners who is gonna win the maxshine foam cannon holder, right? This will close on, I'm gonna close this drawing on Wednesday of next week, which I think it's the, I forgot, but it'll be closed Wednesday of next week. Today is Friday, so whatever the next week is, that will be the closing date. So and we're gonna be going live on Friday at around probably 6:30, and we're gonna be picking 2 lucky winners. One of these is already for my friend Ivan with R5 Auto Detailing. As always, thank you for helping me in everything, and I think this is a perfect tool for you to put in your van. So anyways, I hope today's video, guys, kind of helped you guys maybe see if this was a product that you've been looking at or you've heard about it. It is really the perfect product to have on your mobile setup, to me, of course. So go out there, check it out, and if you feel like this is something that you think is going to work for your system, hey, buy it before they sell out. I bought 4 of them. As soon as I heard they were out, I bought 4 of them, and obviously this is one of them installed. This one's Ivan, and then I got 2 more, obviously, for the 2 lucky winners that win one of these. So the only thing I didn't do, guys, is I didn't go and buy the other fittings like I did to mine, just because I know some detailers, they really don't care about, you know, these tools there. They're more concerned about their foam cannons. So I'm pretty much setting it as it is, and it's up to you if you want to switch it out or make any changes on it. But you're gonna get this as well as the screws and everything that come with the package. So again, thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. God bless you guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.